those things that you are thirsty for in life, and a lot of us have different things I mentioned before. Wealth, to be able to not worry about money anymore, can sometimes be the well we run to and not Jesus. Maybe it's relationships, family. Jesus invites us to run to His because no other well can satisfy our thirst. He's leading us to His well. The woman at the well, the Samaritan woman, the interesting thing is as soon as she got living water, did she still get water from the well for her animals? The answer is no. She left everything there because her thirst was quenched. She ran into town and started to speak to the same people she was trying to avoid. And they started to believe. And they went out and to meet Jesus. Because what happened? Jesus satisfied the thirst in that woman. And the people noticed it. They realized it. They saw it.